Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to repost on threads. Maybe you came across an amazing post and you want to share it with your followers. So today I'm going to show you how to repost on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to your home feed. Now, navigate to the post that you want to repost. You can do this by scrolling through your home feed or by visiting the profile of the user who made the post. Once you have found the post, simply tap on this two arrows icon located below the post. A menu will appear with two options. Now, to repost this thread, simply tap on this repost option. After that, you now have successfully reposted a thread. The post will now appear on your profile and in the feeds of your approved followers. Reposting is an excellent way to show appreciation for content created by others, share valuable information, or spread positive messages within the community. There you go. If you wanted to know how to repost on threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to repost on threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.